Greetings, respected teachers. I hope you're watching this video in your best health. Previous two COVID waves has taught us the importance of hygiene in our day-to-day life. Keeping that in mind, I, Tushar Verma, a student of batch 2 COE1, branch COE MBA, have created this automatic hand sanitizer dispensing machine as my CACD project. This device that I've created comprises of three parts: the Arduino Uno microcontroller, the ultrasonic sensor, and the servo motor. Let me talk about the principle on how this device works. Well, this ultrasonic sensor detects the presence of a human hand or any other object within its range. It then sends a signal to the Arduino Uno microcontroller, which in turn sends a signal to the servo motor. Then the servo motor starts to rotate, and it rotates to a maximum of 120 degrees. In this process, when it reaches 120 degrees, this servo motor uh, pushes the piston actuator of a sanitizer bottle, which thus dispenses the solution. I'll now like to talk about the code that I've written for this microcontroller, for this device. So this is a very basic, simple code that I've written for this. I've included the servo.h header files, which enables me to use this this servo motor effectively. This servo underscore 9 is basically creating an object servo underscore 9 of the servo motor. These two variables, distance and duration, are used for calculating the range, for detecting the presence of a human hand or object in the range of the ultrasonic sensor. I've used this in the void setup loop. We've got three statements. Servo underscore 9 dot attach 9. So what this does is it informs the microcontroller that our servo motor takes in signal from pin number 9. I'd like to talk about the void loop part now. The first batch of code that you're seeing basically is used for the ultrasonic detector. It it helps in detecting the human hand present in the range, if the human hand is present in the range or not. So if that human hand or any other object is between a range of 0 and 250 centimeters, that is almost 2.5 meters, it directs the servo motor to rotate to an angle of 120 degrees, which in turn pushes the physical piston actuator of a sanitizer bottle, which dispenses the solution. After doing that, the code instructs the servo motor to return back to its original position. Then I've included a delay 3000, which makes the servo motor to stay at its 0 degree position for 3 seconds, just to avoid the simple wastage of the sanitizer solution that we're having. I'll now like to demonstrate the working of this uh, device that I've made. So let's assume this is a human hand or any other object. When this is in the range of 0 to 250 centimeters, you can see the servo motor turns, and it pushes a physical piston actuator of a sanitizer bottle. Let me just draw that for visual purposes, for more visual clarity. So here we can imagine the piston of a sanitizer bottle, which is being pushed by the servo motor. So this makes the uh, sanitizer bottle to dispense the solution, and then the servo motor returns back to its original position. So if I remove this, it doesn't move. When my hand or any object is in the range, this pushes the physical piston actuator of the sanitizer bottle, thus dispensing the solution. Thank you so much.